Good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Jaykumar, working as a senior care librarian in Government Prescott College, Chamarajanagar, Karnataka. So, in this video, I would like to give information about Swayam, a free platform for online learning initiated by MHRD, Government of India, under National Mission on Education through Information and since it is MHRD and developed with the help of Microsoft, and it is one of the best platform for online learning and to fill the gap of learning and to encourage the lifelong learning among the students and the working professionals. Swayam stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. So, this is, as I said, it is free. It has a project under MOOC platform. MOOC means a massive online open courses. It is free and no pre-education qualification is required and no entrance. So anybody can join this course from 9th standard to PG level available. So there is no age limit to join this course. So here courses are run or by 9 coordinators. They are all national reputed institutions like UGC, IMB, NPTEL, and NC. So like this, these coordinators are running the courses, and those who want to join the course, they can join by using Swayam. So Swayam can take by using Google account, Microsoft account, and the Facebook account. So here I took information about how to join and how to browse the courses are running under Swayam and get registered in that Swayam course. So first, if you want to join the Swayam course, first you go to Google and type Swayam. So once you type Swayam, this is the home page. Will come. So here you click on the 3 lines in the right side. So once you click on this pop-up window will come. Here you have to mention sign in or register. Click on the sign in button. Once you click on this, so as I said, log in into Swayam using Facebook, Google or Microsoft or Swayam account. So nowadays everybody have the Gmail account, so click on Google. So if you already registered, you just type your username and password. Now you are the first, you're going to register first time, just click on Google. So here choose an account, what all the account you would like to join. So I have mentioned, click on my email account, Gmail account. To click on this, you will this page will come. So here you already log in because I have already registered by using that my Gmail account. So already log in to this Swayam account. If you are first user, this login page will come. So here you have to mention, give information about your name, then mobile number, email account, then age, which to, then country, your student or faculty members or businessman, anything you can type here. Then highest qualifications from 9th standard to PG level you have to mention, and your graduation, year of graduations. And here one more thing is part of Swayam local chapter. Here if you are a student faculty in the college, there are so many colleges taking the running courses under Swayam by taking its local chapter. But if you are not a local chapter, so you mention no, then state, which state you belongs to, then city, then college name and all, area and department. So like this, once you fill all this information in login page, click submit, then you will get register in the Swayam account. After that, you just log in as I log in just now. So like that, you have to log in by using that email account. Once you get login, you will email will come as you successfully log into the Swayam account. So after that, you have to log in by using your credentials like email account and password. So here I want to, after login, I want to see what all the courses are offering by the Swayam under MOOC platform by 9 coordinators. So now just I click all. After that, you just again click on that 3 lines. So then you will see this page would come. You can follow the same procedures in laptop or in computer center also. That you can go to browsing center, you can go and join by using your login ID and password. Or if you have mobile is very easy. Once you can log in, your page already saved, you can directly go to that page. So this pop-up window will come. So here you can filter by using national coordinators. So these are all the national coordinators. As I said, there are 9 national coordinators at present now, like AICTE, CEC, IGNOU, IIMB, NPTEL and UGC. And you can filter by using course duration also. There are course from 4 weeks to 24 weeks. Only short-term courses, you can click on 4-week course, 6-week course, 24 weeks course. Now at present I want the courses from all. So here then course exam date also, then course durations, credits, then categories. As I mentioned, these are all the categories. As for a faculty of architecture and planning, if you are a faculty of education, so I want to do some humanities and arts and law, management, and you can filter the search results by clicking on this topic of interest. As I want to do course in maths and science, so click on this. Once you click on this, there is a subcategories will come like this. Here under science and technology, there are many subcategories. Main subjects are there like applied science, chemistry, earth science, environmental science, library and information science, mathematics, physics, like this. As I am a faculty of library information science, just I click on the library and information science. Here under library information science, what are all the courses, upcoming courses, open courses are displayed. If you want the ongoing courses, already enrollment is closed, you can also check that one also. But now I want to join, so you click on upcoming courses. So here these are all the courses, enrollment is still open. First one, library introductions by, this is the coordinator name, Dr. Archana Shukla, under IGNOU, by IGNOU. This is 12-week programs, start from 15/7/2020. If you want to join, you can click on this. How many courses are open to join? And database content management, digital libraries. This is 15-week programs. Exam date 14 of tentative examination date, everything, and 31st August. So up to 31st August, anybody can join this course. Now I want to join this course. You just click on. If you want to join this course, you can just click on that. Once you click on, the page would come here. Digital library is the coordinated by Jagdish Arora, then former director, everything, director information on library network, and information about the coordinators and what is the objectives of this program and what are the course coverage and target learners, who are the learners who can join. Here the students of library science and professionals working in library information science can join this course. Then what are the prerequisites are required to join the course, and timeline durations, course and it's 15 weeks, everything. And here if you click on this video, coordinator will explain briefly about the course objectives and all, and this is about the brief summary like upcoming course, effective, then duration, start date, end date, exam date. It means it's tentative. The subject which belongs to, then level, that is it UG level or level, everything is displayed. Then this is about course layout. So this is 15-week program, and each week what all the informations they will discuss, what all the materials they will upload it to you. So everything you will get. I can see the subject content of these courses. If you are interested to learn and gain knowledge about this topic, then, and this is about the information about the coordinator, brief biodata of coordinator. So if you are satisfied, if you want to interest to join this course, you just go back and under video, and how many learners so far? There are 844 learners already joined this course. Then if you want to join this course, you just click on join. Once you click on this, this page will come because you already log in to SWAYAM account by using your credentials. So there is no need to enter your informations. If you are not registered before, you can join. I can enter by using this account also. As you already registered, there is no need to again. Or if you want any corrections, you can click on edit profile and do some corrections in case if you did any mistake in typing your name or a mistake in initials, then mistakes in mobile number, you can edit. Once you, and at the end you have to mention that click I agree to SWAYAM. There is a terms of services and agree to follow the honor code. So you have to these boxes, and after that review and join courses. Click on this, you will get an email ID that you have successfully joined this thing. Will to register. Again you have to log in by using your credentials. Then after that you can see the profile name, you can see the profile, but you can't edit your name and email ID. You can edit other information also. After that you can log in and click on my courses. So here which courses you have taken, that title will display in your particular account. Then go to course. Is NPTEL online course data. This is your individual account in SWAYAM. So in that account you will get information about what all the materials uploaded. So here click on these 3 lines. Here, this is your, you can upload your photos also. Here you can the name and the email ID is there, your profile, home and progress, course outline, ask questions, announcements. Is if you want any progress, you click on this, means assignments. I have submitted assignments because this is already course I did before, and have submitted assignments. So everything you can see, like assignments is marks I got. There are 16-week assignments, and after that, once you completed your course, you can get certificate. Click on download certificate, then student ID, assignment marks, examination marks, final score, everything you will get. So it is, even once you complete your course, it's still there in your personal account, and you can post, ask a questions about, if you, while doing your course, if you have any doubt, you can post queries. You will get answer immediately, and you can course outline what all the course there. Just if you click on this, you will get information about courses as and when the coordinators upload the informations by each week. At the end of each week, you will get informations. If you click on this plus button, you will get information about the videos and PPTs uploaded by the coordinator. So this is assignment 1. Then module PPT, preparing for transform libraries in 21st century, like this. So you will get PPT as well as video, but this is not the same. Each and every coordinator can follow some different methods, but the ID and checking the information is common. So, and you can also submit assignment also. So like this, you can join by using your account and check the progress report, what all the things are there. I have submitted. If you want to submit assignments, the grading marks will display there. Then there is an announcement is there. Announcement ARPIT ETLS certificate is available to download. So through your account, every announcement will display in your account. You can it will come mail to a mail also, but again it will display in your SWAYAM ID. So final results declared, SWAYAM announcement for new, like everything you will get. So you can keep on updating by login to your SWAYAM account. After that, you can sign out from your SWAYAM account. So this is the information about SWAYAM and how to browse the subject which are available, and how to join the courses, especially during in corona pandemic. Everybody, they are at home and want to learn information, knowledge, and especially faculty members, especially teachers, those who want to do some short-term course and refresher courses, they can join in SWAYAM because it is funded by MHRD, and the certificate is valid for any promotion and other placement work. So you can join and you can update, you can do some short-term courses and update your knowledge, and it is one of the best Indian platform to fill the gap of learning and gain more knowledge about your topic of interest, and even guide your students also to join this course while doing some degree like BA, BSc, BCom, anything. When they are learning their regular courses, they can join this SWAYAM course free of cost and gain more knowledge, and while doing some course they can get some certificate also and update this knowledge. I think this would be more useful for all faculty members, and I hope you would understood. And thank you for listening. With this I will conclude my video. Thank you one and all.